Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Legal and Regulatory Compliance. Legal and regulatory compliance is a cornerstone of responsible AI implementation. This aspect of artificial intelligence governance ensures that AI systems are developed and used in ways that align with existing laws and regulations, protecting individuals and society from potential harms. Compliance is not just about adhering to the letter of the law. It is about embracing the spirit of the law to foster trust, fairness, and accountability. The significance of legal and regulatory compliance in AI is underscored by the increasing number of laws and guidelines being introduced worldwide. For example, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation has set a high standard for data protection and privacy, directly impacting how AI systems handle personal data. The GDPR mandates that data processing must be lawful, fair, and transparent, and it grants individuals significant rights over their personal data. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines, emphasizing the importance of adhering to these regulations. Another critical piece of legislation is the California Consumer Privacy Act, which enhances privacy rights and consumer protection for residents of California, USA. The CCPA gives consumers the right to know what personal data is being collected about them, to whom it is being sold, and the ability to access and delete their data. This law affects not just companies based in California, but any organization conducting business with California residents. These regulations highlight the global trend towards stricter data privacy laws, which AI practitioners must navigate carefully. In addition to privacy laws, there are specific regulations targeting AI technologies. For instance, the European Commission has proposed the Artificial Intelligence Act, which categorizes AI applications based on their risk levels and imposes corresponding regulatory requirements. High-risk AI systems, such as those used in critical infrastructure, education, and employment, must meet stringent standards for data quality, transparency, and human oversight. This proposed legislation reflects a proactive approach to AI regulation, aiming to mitigate risks while promoting innovation. Compliance with these regulations requires a comprehensive understanding of legal requirements and the implementation of robust compliance programs. Organizations must establish governance frameworks that include policies, procedures, and controls to ensure compliance. These frameworks should be designed to address the entire life cycle of AI systems, from development through deployment and ongoing monitoring. Key components of a compliance program include data governance, risk management, and incident response. Data governance is crucial for ensuring that AI systems use data ethically and legally. This involves establishing clear policies for data collection, storage, processing, and sharing. Organizations must implement measures to ensure data accuracy, integrity, and security. For example, anonymization and encryption techniques can protect personal data and reduce the risk of breaches. Regular audits and assessments can help identify and mitigate compliance risks, ensuring that data practices remain aligned with legal requirements. Risk management is another essential element of AI compliance. Organizations must identify and assess the risks associated with their AI systems, including ethical, legal, and operational risks. This process should involve a thorough analysis of potential harms and the implementation of mitigation strategies. For instance, bias detection and mitigation techniques can address fairness concerns, while explainability methods can enhance transparency and accountability. By proactively managing risks, organizations can build trust and demonstrate their commitment to responsible AI use. Incident response is a critical aspect of compliance, as it ensures that organizations are prepared to address any issues that arise. This involves establishing procedures for detecting, reporting, and responding to incidents, such as data breaches or algorithmic failures. Timely and effective incident response can minimize harm and demonstrate regulatory compliance. For example, Under the GDPR, organizations must report data breaches within 72 hours of discovery, highlighting the importance of having robust incident response plans in place. Moreover, legal and regulatory compliance is not just about avoiding penalties, it is also about fostering public trust and confidence in AI technologies. Transparency and accountability are key principles that underpin responsible AI implementation. Organizations should be transparent about their AI practices, including how data is used and how decisions are made. This can be achieved through clear documentation, user-friendly explanations, and open communication with stakeholders. Accountability involves taking responsibility for the outcomes of AI systems and ensuring that there are mechanisms for redress in case of harm. The integration of ethical considerations into compliance programs further enhances the responsible use of AI. Ethical guidelines, such as those proposed by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, provide valuable frameworks for addressing ethical concerns. These guidelines emphasize principles such as fairness, transparency, and human-centered design, which align with legal requirements and promote the ethical use of AI. To illustrate the practical application of legal and regulatory compliance in AI, consider the case of facial recognition technology. This technology has faced significant scrutiny due to concerns about privacy, bias, and surveillance. In response, several jurisdictions have introduced regulations to govern its use. For example, the city of San Francisco banned the use of facial recognition technology by government agencies, citing concerns about civil liberties and potential misuse. This regulatory action highlights the need for organizations to carefully consider the ethical and legal implications of deploying AI technologies. In conclusion, legal and regulatory compliance is a fundamental aspect of responsible AI implementation. It ensures that AI systems are developed and used in ways that protect individuals and society from potential harms. Compliance with data privacy laws, such as the GDPR and CCPA, and specific AI regulations, such as the proposed Artificial Intelligence Act, is essential for mitigating risks and building trust. Organizations must establish robust compliance programs that include data governance, risk management, and incident response. By integrating ethical considerations and promoting transparency and accountability, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to responsible AI use and foster public trust. The evolving regulatory landscape requires continuous vigilance and adaptation, but adherence to these principles ultimately benefits both organizations and society. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.